Let me tell you something most people get wrong. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a system problem. If motivation alone worked, everyone would be in shape, successful, and disciplined. But that's not reality. Motivation fades. Life happens. Energy drops. So today, I'm going to break down what kills motivation, why relying on feeling motivated is a trap, and exactly how to stay consistent in the gym and at work, even on the days you don't feel like it. Stay with me because this shift changes everything. What kills motivation? Vague goals. Kill drive. Most people say things like, I want to get in shape. I want to be more successful. That sounds good, but your brain doesn't know what to do with that. No clear target, no feedback, no motivation. If you can't measure progress, your brain checks out. All or nothing thinking. You miss one workout. You have one bad day at work, and suddenly it's, well, I already messed up. That mindset destroys consistency. Progress is built on averages, not perfection. No immediate results. Fat loss takes time. Muscle growth takes time. Careers take time. But your brain wants instant feedback. When results are delayed, people quit not because it's not working, but because they don't see it working yet. Burnout and fatigue. Let's be clear. Low motivation is often just low energy. Under-eating. Not sleeping. Overtraining. Grinding non-stop at work. You don't need more discipline, you need recovery. Relying on willpower is a terrible strategy. If every workout and workday requires a mental battle, you're already losing. The people who stay consistent don't try harder, they set things up better. How to stay motivated. Stop chasing motivation. Build systems. Motivation comes and goes. Stop chasing motivation. Build systems. Motivation comes and goes. Systems stay. Gym. Same workout days every week. Simple program. Same training time. Work. Time block your day. Write tomorrow's top 3 tasks today. Start with the hardest task first. Remove decision making. Just execute. Focus on process, not outcomes. Outcomes are lagging indicators. You don't control the scale, the promotion, the end result. You control showing up, doing the work, repeating the process. Fall in love with the reps, not the reward. Create small wins. Your brain needs proof. In the gym, track workouts, track strength, track consistency. At work, finish tasks, close loops, ship something daily. Small wins build momentum. Momentum builds motivation. Protect your energy. This is non-negotiable. If your sleep sucks, your motivation will too. If your nutrition is off, your discipline disappears. You don't need hype. You need sleep food. Recovery structure. Energy comes first. Motivation follows. Reduce friction. Make the right choice. Have your gym clothes laid out and your meals planned. Work tasks clearly defined. The less resistance, the more consistent you become. Identity over feelings. This is the shift that changes everything. Stop saying, I'm trying to work out. I'm trying to be disciplined. Start saying, I train. I show up. I give my all. You don't wait to feel motivated. You do it because it's who you are. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. You won't always feel motivated, and that's okay. Motivation isn't the engine, it's the byproduct. Show up, do the work, stack small wins, and motivation will chase you. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent, especially when it's boring. I'll see you in the next one.